Hey everyone, it's me, Joseph. Today, if you watch my previous video, you'll know exactly what I'm going to be talking about today, or at least you might not know what it actually is, but yeah, today's video is basically I'm going to go into touch typing, and it's a really good skill to have. It's not all that hard actually. It's really easy. And I just really want to talk about this because it's something that I didn't think that would help me, but has helped me a lot. But before I go into, all this other stuff, I want to start by talking about what touch typing actually is. Touch typing is basically typing on a keyboard, except you're not looking at the keyboard. So you're not pecking keys on the keyboard and constantly paying attention to where everything is. You know the layout of the keyboard, you don't have to think about that, and so you can just type away on your computer without having to really think about that and being stressed out by all that nonsense. There's, this website, and it's not just any website, it's literally, it gives you all you need, everything that you need to learn how to touch type, and it's free. It costs nothing. All you need to do this is a computer. That's all you need. If you have a computer, a laptop, a gaming PC, whatever, if you have something like that, then that's perfect. You can literally use that. Go onto Typing Club. I will leave a link in the description below to Typing Club. Just set up an account. It's free. There's a premium version, but you do not need the premium version at all. You can get all the benefits of Typing Club on the free version, and that is another amazing thing. It's just free, so you have nothing to lose. So just go and do it. You may as well. Come on. Now, what are some reasons as to why you should learn how to touch type? One reason is it's just a hell of a lot more effective than pecking keys on a keyboard. Like, chances are that if you've never learned how to touch type before and you go on a computer, you just look at the keyboard and you peck keys. That's so slow and so inefficient. You're wasting so much of your time. I know this sounds really silly, because it's just a couple of seconds on the keyboard, but you could be saving so many seconds, and that adds up if you just learn how to touch type properly. And the second thing, and a really good thing, is that so when you are touch typing, you're not focusing on the keys on the keyboard, right? Because you know where everything is. You get so good that eventually everything is just in place and you know exactly where each key is. So you don't have to think while you're doing your work, I need to think about where this key is, and then switch my attention to looking down and then looking back up and then doing work and then looking down and up and so on. It's such an ineffective way of working, but I guarantee you this will save you a lot of stress. It is so much more effective than just looking down at the keyboard, pecking, and then looking up. It's just such a good thing to have. Now, for those of you who are still in doubt, you might think that this is going to take a lot of time to, get used to where all the keys are, and, it's going to be, you think you're going to be wasting your time, basically. How long is it going to take me to get, to know where all the keys are and to get a good typing speed? Maybe it's going to take me, years of my time. I will tell you, it only took me 3 months to not only learn where everything on the keyboard is, but to get a typing speed of 50 words per minute. That is fast. That is very fast for only 3 months. 3 months of my time, and I got 50 words per minute. That's really good. If you are consistent with this, you will be surprised how far you can go. Okay, so this is the actual website itself. I'd be using I'd be doing this on my computer and filming on my computer, but the problem is whenever I film stuff on my computer, it just goes really, really slow and clippy. So this is gonna be scuffed as hell, but I don't care. I'm just gonna do this on my phone. So I've gotten quite far. I'm on level, I think I should be on, no, I'm back one. Yeah, level 630, and I'm 87% progress. So I'm nearly at the end, and yeah, no, it's been a really good journey. But I just want to show you, so give you guys some evidence that I'm not lying and that I can actually type somewhat decently. It's going to be tricky because I've got a camera directly in my face, but I'm going to give it a go. Let's just go level 542. This one is about this one's about healthcare. So I'm going to get my fingers in position, and I'm going to attempt to do this with a camera straight in my face. Yes, I didn't do too bad at all. So, happy days. Yeah, so that's me showing my my progress on Typing Club. It's all right. It was harder to do when I had a tripod and phone directly in my face, but I think I did fairly well considering that point. So what I want to say now is that this is where I want the people watching, you, yes, you, to take action, and I want you to actually go and do Typing Club. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically make a rule for you. I'm going to make a thing called the 30-minute typing rule, which is, so every day at some point in the day, this can be at any point, you have to do 30 minutes of Typing Club. And this is every day, including weekends. Just go to your computer, or I don't know, maybe the school computer, and just do 30 minutes of Typing Club. Just 30 minutes every day. It's really not that hard. That's what I've been doing, and honestly, it's not hard at all. It's not challenging. It's really achievable. Very, very achievable, and something that I think almost, if not everyone, should really be able to do. So make sure you go and do that. And another thing as well, make sure, in the last video I was talking about the importance of having a timetable. So if you have watched that video and you have, made a timetable for yourself, add this into your timetable. Add, okay, say in the morning I'm going to do 30 minutes of Typing Club, or in the afternoon, or in the evening, like put that on your timetable as one of your tasks. So yeah, I think that will be really helpful. I think that would be something that would be pretty good. Yeah. And yeah, that's the video. I just wanted to share this because it is something that I believe is very, very good. It's something that if you've never learned how to touch type, it's just a good skill to have. And like you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain from this. Like just learning to type faster. It's such a simple skill, but it is something that you will use. You will use this in your life, and you will be super grateful if you actually follow through and you implement this step into your life. It doesn't take long to learn all the keys and layout, and it does not take long to get a fast typing time. You just have to be consistent. Now, that being said, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you for watching if you did. Hopefully, maybe I got 1 or 2 people on Typing Club. Maybe, I don't get many views on my channel, so I'm sure that's not going to happen yet. But if someone watches this in the future and thinks, oh, I'm going to implement this step, great. Awesome. I'm fulfilled. So, yeah, take care, and yeah, see you later.